Hey there, this is Vlad from the Insurance Sales Lab. And in this video, I'd like to show you a sales strategy that will help you close more sales. So if you are an insurance agent who sells P&C insurance or life insurance, health insurance, it doesn't matter what kind of insurance you sell, this strategy will work for you. So let's suppose you get to the end of the call and you know that the prospect currently pays $115 per month for their car insurance and renter's insurance. What you want to do is not just reveal the price and say, all right, John, our price is a little more expensive. It's $20 more, and here's why you should work with us. You don't want to do that. Instead, what you should have done earlier in the call is you should have separated yourself from whatever company they're with right now and explain how the coverage that you're giving them is different and better than what they currently have with their company. So that's something that should have been done earlier in the call. But now that you're closing up the sale, don't compare your price to whatever they pay, because remember, whatever price they gave you could be inaccurate. They could be just setting the bar really low and they're thinking, man, if I say I pay $115, even though pay a lot more, then this person is going to try to beat my price. You have to be mindful of that. Or they could just be making an honest mistake. They think they're paying $150 when in fact they're paying more. Regardless of the circumstances, you never want to compare your price to their price if you're more expensive. If you're saving them a lot of money, different story. You should highlight how much money you're saving them. But fundamentally, when it comes to presenting the price, here's a very simple way to do that. You would say, John, after finalizing all your discounts, your price came back to be surprisingly really low. And they'll be thinking, geez, I wonder what that price is. And you say, before all the discounts were applied for your car insurance and your renter's insurance, it looks like it was going to be about $230 per month for your insurance. So you give them a high price first. And then you say, however, since you don't have any accidents, no tickets, and we're bundling your policies together and giving you the multi-line discount, your price dropped down to be only, keyword only, $135 per month for your car insurance and your renter's insurance, which is a really good price. And there are two ways you can get this started. The first option is, and then you give them the two options that they can use to get started. Once you reveal the price, you don't want to stop and say, so what do you think? Because they'll just say, yeah, email me the quote, I'll think about it. But as soon as you present the price, you go straight into asking for the sale. I know there's a few nuances in here that you're probably thinking about. Okay, what if your price that is showing on the screen, the $135, is the only price you see? You don't see the price before all the discounts. I recognize that that's the case for some agents and some carriers. So what I would do is estimate how much more would it be without all the multi-line discount, without the good driving, good student discount, whatever discounts that you applied. And if it's too complicated to come up with that number, then add an extra $50 or an extra $100 so that you can give them a before price and then after price. This is a strategy that is used worldwide. The biggest retailers use it all the time. You walk into a grocery store or a clothing store and you see regular price, discounted price, regular price, today price, regular price, club price. There's always a before and after. People like to get good deals. So if all you can do is just say, our price is $135, that doesn't look compelling at all. So what you want to do is say, before all the discounts were applied, it was going to be this much, $230. However, because of the following discounts, your price came back to be only $135 per month. That's a really good price. And then you need to call it a good price. And then you transition to the next step. That's a very simple yet very effective sales strategy that you should be using on every call. And if you're not doing that, then you're not taking advantage of all the sales strategies that you could in order to close sales in the first call. What I just covered is just one small little detail that is included in the 6-step script to the one call close. This 6-step script to the one call close is without a doubt the most powerful sales script that exists in the insurance industry. This script teaches you how to call any lead, whether it's an old lead or a new internet lead, and walk the person through a conversation and close the sale in the very first call, even if your price is more expensive. So we cover the hook. We cover building value, how to explain coverage. We cover multi-lining policies so you can bundle home and auto together. We covered the cost presentation and then asking for the sale, overcoming objections, closing the sale, and then how to get referrals from the new clients that move their insurance to your agency. So if you'd like to get access to the 6-step script to the one call close, then you can do that by registering for the one call close masterclass. All the details are right below this video that you can click on the link, put in your information, and be enrolled in that class in a matter of minutes. So if you're an agency owner or a team member who wants to write a lot more business than what you're writing right now, without a doubt, the One Call Close Masterclass is the most comprehensive and the best sales training that you can get for yourself or your team. Go ahead and do all the research that you want by reviewing the information below this video, and I hope you enroll. It will be something that will help you close more business. With that being said, if you like this strategy and you want more information and more sales strategies just like this, stay tuned and I'll post more content just like this. See you soon.